Hey, it's me, Nikki. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps your girl out, and I do appreciate it. You guys, this is my first official vlog where I'm just recording what I do throughout the day. Now, let me explain what's going on here. I had did this look. I thought it was recording. It wasn't recording, and I was pretty upset about that, but I wanted to show the look that I did right before I did a Facebook Live on my jewelry channel. So that's the purpose of it. Okay, I just finished doing a live on my Facebook of my jewelry. It was a little live. I might be doing a game here later. This is my little setup. There is wires everywhere. Anyways, we're still doing a lot of work in my house, so excuse if you see like a lot of sheetrock or wood being exposed. Okay, so it is time for me to cook, and when I don't know what to cook, I make tacos or burritos. So put the ground beef in there, and then I put some water because I like to strain it to get all that fat out of there. So I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna let this cook a bit more so I could strain it, and in the meanwhile, I'm gonna start cleaning up. I got my first real ring light. Look at these little ones. I've been using these little ones, but they've been doing the job for like my little lives. But when I'm doing some videos and I can't get the lighting right, I've been wishing I had one of these. And I also, this is my little bingo game that I do lives. I do games and you can win free jewelry. But I bought some lenses for my camera, for my phone camera, so I can't wait to try that out. But I got a mess right now. I got wires everywhere. I just did a live like I said, and I gotta clean up. Yeah, look at all this boxes. Yeah, so let me clean up. So these are not homemade tortillas, but our store makes them homemade, so that's next to the best thing. I warmed them up in the microwave so that they can be bendy. I'm gonna put some refried beans. This is just a quick burrito, and I cooked up some ground beef that you saw me cooking earlier, drained it and put some Johnny seasoning on there. Don't fill it up too much because it won't shut. Put some cheese. Look at this. None of this is homemade, guys. Except the meat. You want lettuce in there or no? Okay. This is what we do when we're just in a hurry. See, it's a little fat. You can put toothpicks in here if you want so it can hold, but I think this is going to be just fine. Then I'm going to go put it on the fryer. That's a lot of oil to have in there, but we're just going to leave it like that. These are my favorite tongs. I got them on Amazon years ago. I want to say like 7 years ago, and they do not sell them anymore. I look every year for them, and they are not there. They have wooden ones, but I like this one with the rubber. They don't have those no more. I don't know why. So I'm gonna let this cook for about, let me put it on a little high heat. It's not on a high heat right now. I'm gonna get this cooking, and I think after 2 minutes you can be looking at it. Yeah, still needs it. And then I'm gonna flip it around. And you do not have to fry these. You could even put them in the oven. Ooh, nice and crispy. This was more than 2 minutes, guys. I stepped away for a little bit, and look what happens. My husband loves crispy stuff, though, so it's gonna be all right. But anyways, you don't have to fry this. You can also just eat it like that, or put some olive oil or whatever it is you want to put on there, and then put it in the oven, and it'll get nice and crunchy as well in the oven. So I'll do that next time. I've been wanting to try that. I've never done it, but I've seen it done. There is grease everywhere. Alright, this is a quick dinner. Okay, still have more to do, but we got this out of the way. Yay, hubby finally got it up. Me and my daughter did not know how to do it. Awesome.
So that's white right there.
I can't see the phone, but it's okay. See, I can see now when I'm like that. I'll figure it out. These are the lenses I got for the phone, so my recordings could be better. Just gotta figure out how to use everything. This lens is called the wide angle, and it makes it look like I can see more in the picture, which is really gonna help me. I really like it. I think that the focus could be a little better, but I'm gonna learn how to put it on more properly. This is the first time where I was just kind of going through the lenses and seeing what they do and trying to just get to know how to use them. But I got it on Amazon for $25, and it came with, I think, a total of 4 to 5 lenses.
If you put it under a proper microscope, you'd see a mass of energy vibrating.
John Assera.
Alrighty, guys, I didn't get to vlog the whole day, but your girl is tired. We still got to read some of our book from Audible, and then I'm going to take my makeup off, wash my face, do what I got to do before bedtime, and call it a night. But I'll try to get better at these vlogs. This is my first one I've ever done. So, I don't know. I'll try to do better next time. Hope you guys like it, though. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video.